Hello everyone! Are you wondering what intersex means? Let's explore. Intersex refers to a person who is born with a combination of male and female biological traits, which may include variations in chromosomes, gonads, hormones, or genitalia. These traits do not fit typical definitions of male or female bodies. Intersex people might have features that are traditionally associated with both sexes or have traits that are not easily categorized as male or female. The existence of intersex individuals challenges the binary understanding of sex and highlights the natural diversity in human biology. Intersex is an umbrella term that encompasses a variety of conditions, each of which involves differences in sex characteristics. In essence, being intersex is about having a body that doesn't conform to the conventional male-female binary, reflecting the complexity and variability of human development. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.